They got a whole waiver right here before you even go up.
You should be right there.
Dinner in the Sky, Bahamas. I acknowledge the risk. I acknowledge that participating involves inherent risk, including heights, crane operations, wind, and platform movement. I voluntarily assume all risks associated with this activity. Bro. Chat. 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 Chat.
Hey, hold on, bro. He finna stand.
Wait, I got a question though. How are we late? So it's only a seatbelt is what's...
Yeah.
That's it. So I can just take the seatbelt off?
No, you can't. You have to unstrap. You can't unstrap yourself. He shouldn't or he can't.
That's right here.